At first, Devi, Eric, Haziq had some money. Devi and Eric donated same amount of money to charity. Same. Devi and Eric, don't read the wrong person's name. Okay, then Haziq donated 3 times as much as Eric. Devi donated 1/4 of her money. Eric donated 2/7 of his money. And Haziq donated 2/5 of his money. Okay, first thing here, we are comparing. How can we compare? The only key thing that we know here is Devi and Eric donated same amount. And we do know something, you know. What do we know about Eric and Devi? Devi, 1/4. Eric, 2/7. When we say they donated the same amount, we know that we need to do something. So Devi is 1/4. 1/4 of Devi is equals to 2/7 of Eric. What method do we need to use for this part? Because we want to show that two fraction, right, actually tells us the same amount. We have to do this method quite often when we see questions like that. We want to make it equal. So equal numerator, yes, equal fraction, okay. So equal fraction must be careful, okay, because equal fraction, right, can mean denominator the same. However, this question, the denominator cannot be the same, because they say each had some money. They didn't say that Devi and Eric had the same amount of money at first. They say that they had donated the same amount of money. So this is what we call equal numerator, because only a part of the money is equal, which is the numerator I times 2. Then this will give me 2/8 of Devi is equals to 2/7 of Eric. So now from here, this part here, we will find out that Devi had, okay, Devi will be 8 units. Eric will be 7 units. Now we are short of the next person, the last person, which is Haziq. They said that Haziq, okay, I'm going to write down that sentence. Haziq donated 3 times, okay, as much as Eric. Okay, doesn't matter is it Eric or Devi, because remember, the two of them donated the same amount. So 3 times as much as Eric. So what do we know about Eric? Look at this fraction here. 2/7 of Eric, okay, is donated, but Haziq donated 2/5 of his money. 2/5 for Haziq. Remember, both, okay, we make it to 2, right? Devi and Eric donated 2 units. What is 3 times of 2 units? We need to make 3 times of 2 units become 6 out of, okay, you must times 3, yeah? Okay, so we make this 6 out of 15 of Haziq is donated. So you must take note that, okay, the donated for Haziq must be 6 units. Now, from here, you can tell that Haziq will be in total 15 units. So can we compare who has the most? Of course, Haziq will have the most. Okay, let me write down. And then the least will be your Eric. That will give you 1. Okay, 1 mark. Now, then with that information that you have right here, right, it's so useful now. Why? Because they said the children, 3 children had a total of 1,560. The answer is 312. Correct. So I know the total amount of money will be 8 units plus 7 units plus 15 units. That will give me a total of 30 units. So 30 units will be the same as, okay, 1,560. I need to find 1U. So 1U will be 1560 divided by 30. That will give me 52. And last but not least, Haziq donated. Remember, we need to look for the numerator. That is the number of units that each of them donate. Haziq will have donated 6 units. So you need to make sure that when you find out, okay, equal numerator, you must know what does your numerator mean. You cannot just do it blindly. Oh, because I remember teacher say must do equal numerator, but I don't know why. then you will have problem trying to find the answer because you don't know how many units to find. Okay, so the answer is $312. These are 3 marks. Okay, and then make sure you have your dollar sign.